Aman na ya na-ebu Evangelist Ebuka Obi ya emechara agha ụlọ because enemy within si n'ezigbote ike kere ife a na-azọ ka abịa bụsasịa ego Zion ministry. Scavengers everywhere. Kedu ife a na-achọ ka abịa bụsasịa ego Zion ministry. N'ife a na-eme na nga ọkpala iru ebe ahụ vultures kedu ife wu interest ha ncha niile ego. The moment ọ dụka ya sị na iwepụrụ ha from that place ha na a feed from, they turn to in-house enemies. Ha gang up. How can you gang up over an innocent man? How can you gang up over a man who is walking in line with his destiny? Don't you know that the moment you try to fight grace, disgrace will be your portion? Don't you know? Loyalty is very difficult. Loyalty is very difficult. Ịpụta na Zion ground na nga ọkpala ifo ha ncha niile ha na-agbagharị ya mma na majority of them wee ego wife had interested in kele ebe ego yesi pụta from foju apa ọdụzie ka ya sị na-ewepụrụ from ebe ahụ ị na-anọ wee na afiojusi akpaghị. The next thing I will gang up. Now that gang up it collapse go before your very own eyes. And if you people are not careful, you will face the highest level of disgrace. You will face, thank God today that there are people who are still loyal. Thank God that today there are people who are still loyal. Yes, they may not be many of them, but there are people who are still loyal. Imagine if I came no God expose Lunda. Imagine if I came in this life. Ulezibo mado. Enu ya de kuru the universe and the nation joined together will be fighting your battle for you. That is the case of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That is the case of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. They recruit them. Little did they know that they will fall into the hand of somebody. So, now pass information. Now pass that information. Now, who recruit your people. If you don't get that, football that you can never fight. This is the problem I have with all these betrayers, and these people are now opportunity scavengers. They don't actually know that walking away quietly is the easiest way for them to close whatever they have done. Like Ewu or that enemy marriage when Banobo, if you show out, why okay, you can leave this boat. Some of them are that the best thing to do is to quietly leave the boat. For the name and feel that the wisest thing for them to do is to rebel or fight against somebody now pilot that boat. Now we fail, they lead some of them to everlasting disgrace. On a maybe unless no in a position over so many people. There are so many of them that the moment you cut off ties in with them, they will go and they align. Yeah, they will go and seek allies from your enemies. You will start seeing them immediately with the people that don't like you. The moment you start seeing them with the people I like you, then the next thing you know, leave them. They are seriously conspiring against you, your downfall. Yes, they are seriously conspiring against your downfall. So if fish you out because you have been seen. Now, when you were fished out, obviously nobody condemned you, but for you to show that the moment that place is a rip off, is a rip a ministry, the powerful without their hard-earned money for development of Ife and the Zion ministry. They can all issues of ESR siphon that money. Any responsibility turn oil into oil well, into a money making machine. Is that for Jew manago na care? Now, I retire. If you know what to do is to gang up into closing down the ministry of a man who has done nothing but to love you all, who has done nothing but to advise you all, who has done nothing but to pray and look after you people. You want to fight the finger that fed you. Yes, onye chinye mu anya, mana chiwu mulanya no wa. I am a testimony. I am a testimony. Iji we mana chiwu mulanya no wa. Owolo nkata. Obema, owolo na enemy from within. Asa ikibo. Ema ni fi neme. Ema ni fi neme na mana chiwu mulanya. It doesn't even matter whether you are perfect or not. Once you chiwu mulanya. And don't want one or two things here a day make us say iji we me ka anya chuku chiwu mepe na ebe no. Ifela aye menatayo. Ebo na nwere ike ifele ifo na ohodi ife ndapụta ya da adaptara mana ifo na nwere ike bring about disgrace na ebe no. Ebe aka ya no we ma na your guardian angel mwanya. Na your guardian angel mwanya. Nature Zion ministry nature Evangelist Ebuka Obi oko sisi omununu beje na enu ye ina conspire ina abu izu ki imegide onye aka edo ocha ina abu izu ki ibutuo a ministry God na use we na atohepu ndị ekelu na agbu we na azọpụta ụmụ ogbenye we na azọpụta ndị nọ na everlasting bondage. You will not conspire. We move an instrument. Devil you use. If you don't have poison mind in the mother, you may recruit people from within. But God once again has shown you that He is all-knowing God. And if you push further, disgrace, everlasting disgrace will follow you. Be careful of your circle. People from outside fight the far. Manaya neri hawo alimuno. Mana ebo no na pele chibumulanya mayi muno ayeri natayo. I watch Shalom that video. Mary Zion. Shetalum even chief. Nene human being etua. Amo mi fen nafo. May God have mercy on us. Always pray for Evangelist Ebuka Obi. They have now metamorphosed into a household enemies. Outsiders are no go for no money for higher anota. His family within the Catholic in Noyefunonwe Ifanotalo. Now I have to go back and Zion ministry. It is going to be the last battle, and after that battle comes everlasting victory. Isi na ife a na-eme isi eburu isi guti n'ime owenwe isi ọnụ na-akpagharị na-akụsụgharị mischief. Je face ife ị na-eme. Face your life. Face your life. Always trying. A man you cannot reap a shock he bring here down. Kedu ife o melu ọnụ na-enwe ha call before Zion ministry. Go and face what you do. Ọnụ funde do true and loyal to God and that ministry. Una na to soga iti yisi na Zion na turuga afọ ha na aka okwoto afọ ha ni mi nu wealth Evangelist Ebuka Obi afọ ha ni do loyal fully do true to the cause aturuga conspiracy here and there. Etu akufọdụ n'ime ha si wee conspire against Zion because no na fear as a threat. Ono conspire against him. Gota ụfọdụ mind of ụfọdụ ndị Zion ministry against Zion because no furia that he is one man that cannot compromise. He might be stubborn, but he can never compromise on anything concerning Zion ministry. I have seen it. I have seen some of the opportunities but yet ejukwaye ona asego daddy. Yeah, can never betray anybody. Manifu handa wo ego ka ha choje bia favor ka ha choje we bia. They can do anything. May God bless Zion ministry. May God bless and protect Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Chie to nenu and the way for ye mego. I always stand with you because I know you are a good man. There is nothing after me when we came in one when it on my mind because I am a reading mado. Ife melu jiwe kudoru mmadu siri ike and ife melu mejiwe hapu onye kudoru siri ike. Yes, there are people like us who believe in the call of this man because we have seen the manifestation of that grace. No be toko. So na panu nkata una anapuna. Na panu nkata una anapuna. Una onye buru nwanne ya ahụ odogwu and ekwu dike na ọgụ ụlọ ụbọchị agha ezi ya elu achọba dike gụ na mmadụ mere ife okwu ozu na-ebe jewe n'onwe you must not fight the person trying to fight a man that has fed you, trying to fight a man that has shown you, that has done nothing other than show you love, is going to bring disgrace. Go down to history. It has happened. There are people who try to fight Zion because Zion showed them love, and when they felt like what they planned wasn't coming through, they decided to fight him. How did they all end? History. We are not good students of history. We are not good students of history. Learn from mistakes of others. There will be less mistakes and less reoccurrence. But we are not good students of history. Chineke gozie Ebuka Obi, gozie engineer CC Obi, gozie Chewe Zion ministry from aka scavengers and enemies from all angles, determined to bring down that ministry. The more they fight that ministry, the more I am convinced Nakashku Neba Ezugo, share this video.